Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be here today to share with you this amazing package that I received just the other day for the secret bunny hop that I was part of with Mummy and Me Crafts and a whole bunch of really amazing crafty ladies. I was so excited to get this. I got this the other day, but I haven't been very well this week, so I'm only just getting to open it and have a look. And I took it out of the package because it was just filled with all the shred and like beautiful like sparkly tissue paper and all wrapped up really tightly, and I actually just couldn't open the like plastic packaging that was in it because I just couldn't, and I was like embarrassing to film that. So here is my parcel, and I received my package from Tmika from Scrap the World, and oh my goodness, just I'm gonna have to work out how I can show you all the details of this tote is just like next level. It's like all reinforced. It's got like gold on the bottom. It's got like this chain dye around it, like all this details. It's got this amazing like dangle charm, which is like got these little bunnies and this cute little bee charm and like ribbon and this happy Easter, and it's just gorgeous, and it's attached to the side. And I'm gonna try and tip this up. It's even got these little gold like feet on it, like you know, like a real fancy handbag has. And these are all Tamika's details on there, which is so exciting. I'm just so excited. I've obviously watched all the boxing videos, so I have got some idea of what's in here, but there's a whole difference between seeing someone on a video and getting it in person. So first of all, look at this amazing layered rosette. It's on the front pocket. There's a pocket on the front and the back. This one's got like a bunny, and then just like so many layers. It's got like one scallop, two scallop, three little flower thing, a rosette, a bow, then all these layers in this bunny and a flower, and it's just amazing. And then we'll flip around. It's using this gorgeous Easter paper. I don't know what collection this is from, but it is lovely. And then on the back, look at that, there is this cute little fluffy bunny with a bow, and then this flower in this card. You've got to see it. It was so funny. She obviously made this gorgeous card and then popped it in the tote on her note on the front. She's like, I'm so sorry, I made your card, and then popped in the thing. So she hasn't written on it, but I'll take the plastic off so I can show you. But look at this card. It is just gorgeous. It's got this layered blue floral. Oh, she did write in it. Oh, lovely. I will read it properly in a minute, but I'll just show this. It's like this layered floral cluster. So it's got like the bottom leaves have like two layers, and there's this like blue flowers, which are at least, okay, so there's pink, 1, 2, 3, 4 layers deep, and this gorgeous hello. And then these, I don't know what, she's like debossed, like, you know, like paper, they're like pushed in there. I don't know how, maybe that's like one of those foil things. Anyway, I don't know. And then these gorgeous little gold dots, and this is just absolutely stunning and so spring themed. So I'll just pop that over there. So there's a pocket at the front, and then a back, and then a pocket at the front. And then in this front pocket, oh my goodness, so there's this little tiny, these are just amazing. So they've got these amazing, holy moly, like layered butterflies with these little, oh my goodness, like laid little button things on the front with these charms hanging off them, and inside are these cute little I just need to see if I'm actually in. Yeah, look at that. It's like a little bag topper, and then this one's a little bag topper with this bunny and this stitched butterfly, and they're just next level. Please excuse my nails, I'm embarrassed. They're just so gross after having gels put on them for so long. And now how do I pull all this out? I'm just gonna start pulling things out. Oh my god, so this is like a chip packet, and I love this paper, and there is little tiny bows in there. I don't want to, I'm gonna have to like let you see the bow there. Look at that. And there's like some, there must be like 3 in there, but I don't want to rip them open. But look at this packaging. Wow. There is so much in here. So I'm going to just look at these bows. So these are gold. I'm sure there is some some details on Tamika's video that she's made of like what dyes these are, because I haven't brought a dye for a while and I'm very unsure. But I'll link Tamika's boxing video down below so that you can see more details. But look, these are layered. Got these gorgeous little flowers in the middle. Everything is packaged so pretty with all these like beautiful sequin mixes. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how do I don't want to pull everything, break anything. Okay, let's get these die cuts out. Oh my gosh, so this is some gorgeous, it's almost like a wrapping paper I think, but it looks like a, I don't know, these are just so pretty. And then in there's like all these bunnies, and they're like printing cut files they look like, and there's all different bunnies, and I can't wait to open that up and see what is inside there, because I love both of these bunnies. And there's this gorgeous bow. The packaging is just so stunning. And then obviously like cut out of the die cuts, and this one had like bows written on it. Oh my gosh, I haven't got heavy mail for a while. Like a swap package, and this is, whoa, so amazing. So this, I think this is a pen, and it has my name on it. Look at that. Holy moly, that is a pen. And it's got these gorgeous charms, and I'm going to try opening it. I don't know if I'll be able to pull it out, so I don't want to, I can, look at that. It is a pen. An actual pen that I could like write things with, which is what pens are for. And it's got these gorgeous little charms on the top and my name on it. That is amazing. I've never seen a pen like that. That is so cool. Thank you, Tmika. What have we got next? Oh my gosh, look at these. These are some paper clips. These are like a rose gold gorgeous paper clip with this sweet little bag topper which says "Here comes the sun." And these are like little rose gold with hearts, and then there's arrows on the back. So she sent me all these paper clips, which are just lovely. Thank you. Oh wow, look at these pencils. Do great things, think happy, believe you can, go girl, let's do this, shine bright. And look at those gorgeous colors, they are so sweet. And then it's another one of those amazing die cut bows, and this sweet little floral in the middle. This is gorgeous. This is such a nice little treat after feeling so rubbish all week. What a brilliant way to wake up. Oh my gosh, this is like, firstly, can we just admire this gorgeous little rose on the top here? It's got like foam and flowers, and then this little bunny pick and a little bumblebee. But this is like a little kit to make bracelets. It's got all these different beads, different types of beads. It's got some of that stretchy elastic, and these really cute, look, there's a rabbit and a flower and this cute little carrot charm. That is such a cute idea. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, first let's just admire this amazing packaging for this gorgeous sequin mix, which is just full of like butterflies and hearts, and then all these like little tiny things. But look at this clip, it makes it look like it's a little clipboard with big gold with this shake it off on the bow, and shake it off with some sequin mix. That is so cute. There's so much. Oh, whoa, look at this. So there's a cute little bunny, which is like this bunny on the front. And this is some fabric. So there is a really cute little bunny fabric, and the pink cheek and the purple. And I just love that. And I've actually been making some fabric stuff recently, so I will put that in my collection. And I just love those colors. And look at the little bunny with the glasses. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is a pouch. How did she do this? There's my name and a bunny and this really cute cottontail candy company. It's like I think it might be like that sublimation, you know, and you like print things and then iron them on. And this cute little pouch, oh my goodness, is full of goodies. I'm really worried that look at that, just in case I was not in frame. Holy moly, look at all these little pink tassels. Oh, it's just so cute. And a die. I think this is like a poinsettia die, like a layered one with little berries and leaves. That is so cute and perfect for Christmas. Oh my gosh. And then there's these gorgeous pink and purple florals. These are like really big and dimensional. So creamer, they are super sweet. And then, oh my goodness, okay, so then these sweet little pink gems, like pearly little gems. They are really sweet color. And then more Prima flowers. These are some really sweet little blue flowers with these. Look at these tiny little diamonds in the center. So there's like dark blue, a medium blue, and a light blue. Holy moly, I just find it amazing how much people can get into these totes, which I found too. Look at this little pack. So cute, the little bunny, and this is like a little box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on her channel, on her video of boxing this, she did like a little tutorial to make this. So definitely I will share, you'll see the link down below. I will share this. So this is like these tiny cute little things, and in here I think these are those little, oh my gosh, look at that mix, those little diamond dots. Love, love, love. So there's little diamond dots. There is some cute little bow polymer clay with little beads in there. And this one is, oh, like tiny, all this gold and silver goodness. And then this one is like a pink and purple mix with tiny hearts and stars and flowers, and that is just so cute. So definitely, like, it's like the perfect size box to fit those in. So fancy. Thank you so much. This is just overflowing, and we still have a couple more goodies in here. Look at this. Okay, so this is like a ribbon spool thing, but she has sewed plastic on the front and made these gorgeous little layered embellishments, and they're like little shakers. I don't want to open them, but look at this, like one here is like a diamond, and there's a circle, and there's another circle in behind there. That is so cute, and then decorated with the little bunny. Holy moly, lost my voice, just overwhelmed. Sorry, I'm still not feeling 100%, so my brain's all over the place. But look at this other embellishment she's made. It's like a film strip with the bunny and the florals and this gorgeous thread, and all her packaging has these gorgeous like sequins, like little sprinkled sequins in the bottom. So I always have to be careful, although whenever people package them like this, I'm always a little bit I just don't always open them. I just usually display them because they're so pretty, but actually I feel like they are made to be used and opened and admired. So I will make sure I collect all the little goodies in here. And then look at that, this is just such a sturdy tote, and it is just gorgeous. Look, even like all the different colors, and I just love these little feet on the bottom because it just sits so nicely. But thank you so much, Tmika. I will make sure to link to her channel down below, and all the other ladies that were in the swap, so you can go and see everyone unboxing their videos. Thank you so much for hosting this, Patty from Mummy and Me Crafts hosted this whole swap, and it has just been really fun to get back into the world of crafty swaps. I've really missed it, and I will definitely be doing more in the future. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.